Yes, I know my life I gotta do my little investigation then before me beat boy. Present good night again. Once more. Yeah. Me go investigate and forward. Me go investigate and forward about the Batman activity nowhere there. Cause if it's one thing with my wife, you know, she know she know how to search. Boy, nowhere look bad for him. He look very bad. He look bad. Bad man. Oh, what you saying? Play a Batman party and them thing there? Or him go at them?
No, that's just what the screenshot shows. Like, but obviously that's what the person is trying to.
Oh, say boy, him affiliated with the swingers party, them and drag queen party and so. Boy.
That's the only thing I can get from that. Like, you feel me? Because that's in the search. Like, that's what it.
I know him search that there.
No, that's what the person put up there. So obviously the person is trying to instigate that. Whether it's true or not, I don't know if it's true.
And he must say, I want an ex I do that. Boy, I know me no know about that. When you want to come to play one of the major? That's a lie. Me soon come to you all your safari because I want to say something to you. You fucking old Batman.
They post that and they post this next. And all I see is New York.
New York gay parties and events, swingers.
Disco
Eventbrite. Oh, them that place when book for them time now.
Oh, you know what? Yeah, that's where he play at. I guess that's where he booked to play at, and he that's what he do.
Boy, Nor.
So I'm assuming that's why his post said what it said. He is about making money, not about that.
Oh, so if you play all of them Batman parties, that's money, my dude.
That's what he said.
Hey, I am LGBT, you know. Watch you know. No, me fi beat you, know. For right reason them, but me like do right thing sometimes. You see me I deal with? Him say I'm go live and clear up this, you know. Between me and you still, not because it, boy, you might take picture with it, boy. I.
But like you said, it could have been a mistake. He probably was trying to lean back and the picture just snapped like that. I don't know. But
me think I like that too, come. You man that's a play for making money. That's why nowadays me realize if you affiliate yourself with gay people just call you Batman and them things. You see me I did? And one of the reasons them why people nowadays don't even like to deal with it because we like the opposite sex. What you know? Me don't think we need to beat a straight person for want to affiliate themselves with gay people. I don't think gay people are some kind of animal or something, daddy. You see me? Yeah, like, and not every straight person who affiliate themselves with gay people have gay tendencies, you know. No, them not have no gay, nothing about them. So my time, y'all grew up with a hombre and then he fuck a turn gay after a while, then I go shun him. Me feel like everybody feel live in a love. You feel like me I deal with like, see me like, me not go call him on body, man. Me never see no hood in him mouth. Me never see no hood in him body hole. Me never see him pan a, you see me like say, me see him a hug up on a man and a man a kiss him or him a chups up a man or you understand me I deal. Me just say, in this life where we are live, me not tell anyone say they're supposed to accept gay people, you know. But I also want to understand, say, not because when I see some people around a gay person mean the person that want fuck at her or that the person that want fuck man or something. You feel like me I do it? It look how weird to straight people. Yo, blood clot dog. Yo, if you grow but yeah, man. if you're their own Batman, you're Batman. Nah, not the case, you know. Some people have strong mind. Some don't know what burn out Batman and deal with Batman and think that true. They don't know mind not strong enough to go around them because we fuck them. Yeah.
That's what I said.
Yeah, man. Some don't know what me see I run with this and I cuss you.
That's exactly how it be. The undercover niggas, that's how they act.
Yeah, man, like.
And them be the ones that be.
If you know say as a man, your mind strong. Yeah. Enough woman stay so too. Alright. My buck
trying to talk to me, you not know.
My buck girl stay so. Me buck girl stay so. And me know say the only reason why some of them girls don't want their own a gay girl, she feel like she gonna get tendency for fuck her. You feel me I deal with? And that doesn't show someone on mind weak. You see me on mind weak. You see if you knowing yourself say you would have never fuck a girl, having a gay girl as your friend wouldn't even be a problem for you. Me I tell you that straight, because you don't say, me more rather have a blood clot gay girl around my man because she not pray for fuck him. You see me I deal with? But I show no mind weak, man, and the mind weak, you fuck. You see me I deal with? So, you mean to tell me, say, if a selector play a one gay party, my Batman, so that dog gonna have bits. Alright, watch it now. 50 Cent of a movie with the whole way I watch one series named Power. Couple episode now, you see couple gay scenes in there. Remember Power for 50 Cent, you know. One is a 50 a Batman too. One is a 50. Really shut the fuck up, dog.
At this point, sometimes he probably ain't got no choice but to do it.
Everybody knows a 50 and a blood clot Batman.
On the show.
You said that about him though?
Who?
The bitch who used to go with him.
Okay.
Well, not an angry bitch. Always an angry bitch. Always an angry ass bitch.
Shit, maybe. You know, bitch always, I don't know.
Nigga, on the mind weak.
Oh, Vivica.
No, fall no.
Vivica Fox said that. Yeah, she did say
Vivica,
that.
she's a sodomite.
Well,
But she was eating his ass though.
Then enough man like get their ass eat, bad man. Brother, let me show you this. Not for all the batty boy, I don't know one alive. Who not make girl lick out on the batty boy like, look at the cure. Look at the cure. The cure, I caught me. If she not fuck me now, it won't have to leave me need but my ticket money. Just because they not lick out in batty wall.
That's too strong for wanting some pussy. I don't like that.
No, I lick him wanting batty wall for lick out.
Yeah, that's too. That's like rape. Like, I don't want to say rape.
Yes, Uno. Men, let me tell you this. Uno don't strong.
Now, you and her
Uno don't strong. Uno don't strong. Because watch you now. You see, if you as a DJ, you straight and thing, and you will get your bookings money if you go play a one party, remember, you know? You as a selector.
There's a lot of gay bitches that go to the straight club.
Yeah, dog. What do you mean? Uno play for straight, uno play for gay people every blood clot night. Believe me. Enough of them girls who wanna see a twerk batty in a club, a strap on them a boom pan. Yeah, that. Enough of the girls they wanna see in them club they wanna talk about, yeah, red. A pussy them a suck when them come home. You understand me I deal with? Them a fuck girl. But what the difference with you playing for straight people and you playing for people where wanna play for freak every night? Girl in a dance suck good, man in a dance suck pussy. What mean by? Some of them mind so weak. Yeah, them now why you can't have a gay friend. None of them can ever give a stable reason yet. Because God said, God enough things God said. God said enough thief. Yeah, enough things God said. God said enough thief. Enough on a thief. I want a friend them a thief. I want a harbor thief them monks. You know. God said do not kill. Enough on a friend them a murderer. I'm not afraid for talk. Say them a murderer. So, you mean to tell me, so you play for murderer, you play for rapist. But as soon as you play for one gay people, you a Batman. That is a fuck up move. So, you don't play for bad man them and then take out the Glock them. Bow, in the ear, you're a bad man too. I want bad man that too. No, me G-man, you no fool, you fuck. So, you tell me in a real life, say, Gay people are to be scorned. Don't know if it go amongst them. Wanna deal with gay people every blood clot day. That's why I have stop a double standard, my friend. Gay people willfully out here. No phone a girl a fuck Batman I wanna know. Just because I wanna go on with. What do you mean by it? So you want to mean say if you see a man take a picture with a Batman, him a Batman. You not a joker, man. You not a fucking joker. You not a fool. So you mean if you tell me say every man will take a picture with me already as a lesbian woman, I want Batman that? You is a fool or what? All of my friends them straight. Every fucking one will come at my house. All of my brethren them a pussy them fuck. All of my brethren them, none of them are a Batman. I'll be a gringo me par with. And a pussy them go home to every night. So what you mean if you tell the man them say, me can't be them brethren kawaii. Me and them come here pussy over here. How are read comment? What? Does what done with? Busy?
That is funny. So that's what they
What?
said about that nigga murder too. You know what's on his Instagram today?
What's can't done me?
Murder, little murder.
When?
Because he played that role.
No, as we attack, yes, sir.
What do you think he did?
The toughest woman that cuss me, boy, Bubsy can't even pronounce a proper sentence. And that will not break me, fam.
Like, I don't know, he gave her Uncle.
Uncle Murder? That is his name.
Yeah, me a talk about good something now. How much time me beat Fridge Face?
I'm mixing both of their names together.
Uncle Clifton.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he gave her.
At this,
So he had cage.
who she did this? She did this, Mishi?
Yeah, baby.
That one is kind of
My cuss don't be already, me just post the video.
And then he said, like, I was looking at the story. And, like,
Bubsy can't done me. You never see me lose our back leg? Me, Bubsy face look like 4 blood clot, 2 before put to blood clot. Get a mama face favor like one bumbo clot, Melissa Tris. Where you be? Me, she can't done me. Me, listen, after me day start a good something to bring up this a blood clot all drunk cry.
nobody told you to read it.
Not every minute mommy let's step on there bother me about read comment. How much time you want me to flag this woman?
Where's my food?
Only just like here when me deal with this woman wicked. Mommy, stop one go fast over there so that no concern you. Your pitneys a vlog, you want go over there so go read it. Mommy, I don't saw we work good eh? You don't break me off of my thing goods. I don't saw we work over here, sir. I come over here so I deal with one topic, mommy, you know. Mommy, who are you? Mommy, at 3 live, me do and done burps here, whatever the fuck she want name. The amount of beat when me give that 1 blood clot LG 2-door fridge there. Me know that much shots out. Me not do it again because someone just love it and that's to come over here for you. So, Uno just come over here because I like here when me a cuss it tough face blood clot woman.
baby cute. What you doing now?
Wanna stop it? Because that is the whole blood clot ball game we're going right there, so now. Them want me to get up every day and beat this blood clot yam giant.
And that's what I'm saying. I said, bro, ain't no way in hell. She's the dancer. She doing that shit to be funny, but the shit look good at the same time.
These are them people they call cussing.
Let it the fuck go.
Cause some of them people are so fool. Them over there cussing. Who wanna call cussing? Go from me and rub people till blood clot. I'm gonna see the boy pussy nor cat nor dog. What can rub me? Who wanna call rub? Who wanna call cuss? Because me are the washing brush for the internet. I mean scrub out people. What you mean? What you call bring down? What you say cuss? What you mean cuss? Because last time I realized I'm me responsible for the flagging. I always a blood clot flag. What you say?
Good night. I'm interrupting your bedtime.
Me no know. Me don't care about her IG no. Here we know. Never go there be see the girl nor boy. Ever. Bitch. Yes, good day. As me that tell about the gay scenario now. You don't ever break me again. Because I can't believe that that's on the break me for. This is a blood clot.
Call me back. When you done with that load.
Yeah. Watch out. Because I see them as a major man friend. I want Batman around them day because I get to understand say straight people care. You see, uno one of the reasons them why we gay people feel the way how we feel. No, we're not telling us if you deal with we no dog. We're not telling us if you deal with we no, but if you stop blood clot chaos out people pitting me jail. None of over us are not trying to recruit nobody fi fuck. None of we not recruit no pussy fi suck over here, so my friend. Only can be friends with you, only can shake blood clot and my friend me not ask so no we are telling you. You understand me I deal with? Some of the people, if you don't see one next straight somebody even shake a gay person and a one batty man that. On a fucking fool. On a fool you fuck dog. So true that there's somebody there, a gay person, you can't be friends with them. On a fool dog. One party will be a gay people, you know, if you're straight, you can't go in there, go play. And you can't this and you can't that. Somebody are forcing you for fucking in on the batty wall. You know how to make being gay look like? When you make being gay look like a sitting with them catch and put by your so and you catch it. Like as one gay somebody touch your shoulder, you just catch that blood clot. You bended one fuck girl if you make a girl fuck you. If you make a boy fuck you in your body while you bended one dick. If you suck some wood brother, you bended one man push them wood in your mouth. Nobody come go on like say, being gay is a disease. Yo, come in, man, you touch me, come in, I want to turn soda, man. You joke! When I fool? I'm telling you what gay is. It's not a disease. It's not something you try. It's not something where you tag and do. If you like girls and you're a girl, you're gay. Okay. Yeah, do that. You're in the LGBT, you're good. If you're straight, you're straight. That girl we're gay, can be a friend. She don't want a pussy for you. Obviously, the girl have a heap of girl that like pussy over here, so when she a fuck. Why your problem? On a mind too weak. So me blood class, me a big sodomite, I can't grow on straight people. Me don't want to fuck you, man. You think say me a come over your yard and see I put on the battery and them I want to go take some fucking in your wall. You think me I go put on battery and I can take some fucking in my wall with you? No, girl, it's not a disease. It's what you as a person want to do. That's what being gay is. Do you like pussy? Of course I like pussy. I'm gay. You don't like pussy, you like cocky. Nothing wrong. I see me like how me like blue and you like green. Me not like green, but me like blue. I mean, have a problem with you say like green. Wanna make this thing look too stupid? Blood clot. Me don't know him going to the gay party there. And them blow up on me know. Wanna make you look like a zombie thing. You know like what I wanna see zombie catch on for one next somebody? Wanna say, Jesus Christ, I want zombie that I got to know. On a fool! I wanna wear clothes that gay people make. I wanna not turn gay. Enough Batman have sew the clothes I wanna have on.
I'm cooking their food at a restaurant.
I'm not cooking the food at a restaurant. I wanna not turn Batman yet. Wanna not go to a restaurant. Wanna know if it's a straight person or a lean person cook that game. You know if it's a straight person wash up them plate there.
Hire you at a job.
I hear you one job. On a fool. So one time on a BF say it does make you look real fucking stupid, dog. Like a gay or something where your blood clot does touch up on your shoulder, you turn Saddamite and Batman. Which video? Me don't know which video you're not talking about. Me have that the video that good. Me say everyone at Kirby with sex tape them already. Me talk about the youth and then say a Batman show. He take a picture with a gay guy and him play a gay party. Rascal. Oh no mind too weak as human being, man.
You know, I just scroll down and look at it. I did not know that's what
Yeah, me see her sucking, see him cocky in her bathroom there. Yeah, I did 2 part to it. It looked like before the boy did start videoing in that suck off a cocky there. You get that together.
Okay, that's
That one, I want different one. Did I eat her ass and pussy? Yeah, me see her. Me more Kirby a dirty bitch. Eh? A them the girl who not defend me, G. Me can't believe when I ask girl pitney. I lie. Bumbucklad Curviton, big porn star, you know, in the dog. Yeah, but yo, Kirby, yo, let me tell you a thing, bitch. Let me manage you, dog. I'll be your pimp right now. I'll beat your ass, though. Hey, look here. You need a pimp, bitch. Sorry, baby. You need a pimp. You need a good pimp. Jesus Christ. Mama, you there put out GoFundMe is fool. You's crazy. With that the pussy the way you fuck on tape, so mama, you can't go fuck for free. Mama, Kirby, your pussy would not sell high right now if you go put it for sale. People are pay for fuck your words like a major head fuck you already and thing and then done. She say, Mama, we see a suck with you, you're bad pan the suck with trade. The suck with trade are going good for you. Hey, Jesus, hey, Herbie, you love the screen long time, you know? You love the screen long time because from Disney me I watch it. Herbie. You know easy a blood clot, you want Herbie. Herbie, get a good, with the camera name when we buy for you vlogging babes? A Canon. A Canon. Get a Canon, you see, girl. And get the fucking fuck tape them clearer. And sell them for big blood clot box, girl, because you fuck good pan tape. Mama, you don't need fuck all of that. We forgive you about the lie where you can't tell. We forget. You don't see it. You emerge as the star you are. You there try be something that you're not in. You're not no police. You're not none of that. You're not no good girl. You're not no wife material. You're not nobody. You is just a porn star. All if you go strip right now, your blood clot rich. Everybody know where you strip. Everybody are rich there. Because they know them will get them would suck. You, me bumbo clot, mama, you a fucking fool. You know what money you that make for a weekend, eh? You're a joker to pussy clad. That's what me tell you. Say, anybody who you have around here, not smart. Herbie, run with it. Run with this. Porn star. Mama, you don't see how freaky you are. And dirty and fucky. This is your line. Mama, to your fool. You could have make so much money right now. Fuck that little GoFundMe. That's what me tell you, so if you give you about that. Mama, go to your calling. Go to your blood clot calling. Herbie is a joker. Herbie, right now, as I me tell you, Herbie, if you for really go skin out that the pussy they are fuck so pan tape for money, you don't think so you don't make it? You don't make it, mama, you suck out. And look how you don't skin the whole of the meatloaf. The man have a name out there. Mama pussy, you did see pussy around there, baby? I mean, never see who a whole heap of clit you have. Because you turn from, she turned from a back way and a whole heap of meat just hang. Where you go? You go down here? I'm going to make you play now. A whole heap of pussy you have around them, girl. You see me? Like when you cut babes, pot roast beef. You see when you pot roast, you cut it up. I say your pussy have bumbuckler layers of meat that drop out of your blood clot pussy boomer. So you know so that the pussy they been at work, still at work. You need to go do the right blood clot thing and do what? What you have to do? Tell me what you have to do. Go and fuck pan tape for money. Mama, Jesus Christ, Herbie, all you need is a manager and a good pimp. That's all you fucking need. Hey, mama? Herbie, you can't say you love Ed. Major, you didn't hear me too? Yes, you didn't hear me too. You know, you see the Major. I'm sorry. Yeah, damn pussy boy, Major. You will love it. Because you see a girl pussy look around there, suck dog like them boy does. You see me and Major, you see you have a big lip them and a big mouth. You just catch you know, there you hold up and that's the pussy there. And there's a suck dog that like a vacuum, but man, you see me? Girl love Ed. You see me? Because when you see man round there near me, you know, man, I deal with that like a swipe girl. Man, I deal with him, man. You can see man neck at work. You can also see them the man down there pussy long time. You see me? Yeah, man. Jaja. Boy, Kirby ain't easy. How much more tape you gonna release, Kirby? Because I get from a reliable source I hear release them, you know. You see the amount you have left? Don't release no more. Sell them. Sell them, blood clot. No, BS, but me I talk about the rest so she got have what she release. Cause she release them because she want to get Major in a problem, you know. Cause me wonder what Major do with so much sex tape with you like him and have some kind of sex tape fetish with you or thing. You don't release another fucking one so free. Don't do it for the clout no more. Sell it. People are buy them. Hey. All I want a girl a fool no man, them and name out Kirby pussy so. Bumbucklad Herbie bow out on the man and send that concours no. A whole heap of sex tape she have. Yeah, she have 3 over porn up right now. Oh, he took her phone. You see you girl? See you come and talk about say man take her phone. Why you so wicked? Why you so wicked? Why you so wicked? Why say man take her phone and take out the whole light? So we could be doing so much sex tape in her phone, mama. So you said that right? That right for Herbie have them there in her phone? Why Herbie do that? That's not right. Is that right? That's not right. How would the blood clot is? Major, you see where you buck up in a bad man? And this teacher did not talk about buck up in a. Where you buck up in a? You buck up in a BSX tape and now then they on porn hub. Yeah, me G, that you, eh? Where's the eye breeze? Fuck it. I don't feel like again. When you say you know you're a woman? Yeah, then that me I tell you. She send them out. And I look at hype. And I see him tape. But every one of the tape, them where you see Herbie a fuck pan, Herbie a fuck a different man pan them all the time. I wish video you upload. What you say? Big Billy man in the shower? You fucking lie. Send it come give me no see that. Me never see that one day. Mirrors. That dirty girl. Mirrors clad. My bumbo clad man. Blood clad upon Camille bumbo clad. Coconut drops man. Look on Camille. Bumbo clad blue dress. Where's it? Check me DM right now. My blood clot. Bumbo clot. Hey, come in. What's your potato chips, man? Me glad in my inbox. Me go look feet now. Me I go check he DM man. Me just done it live. Me just send you. Wanna come for? No, wanna not come for. Fuck it, cause I go and think to me. Wanna know I'm busy dog. And them look how weird them are you. You know dog gonna make you look like some I ain't glancing a bad man. Yeah, you. Big Billy. Mine a major. Come and put some major with the Billy. Yes, sir. You know some of fuckery? Mine. Babes, major have a little belly.
Yeah,
It look like it, right? Babes toxic more solid now. Me have confidence. Yeah, man, go and go look on him belly. I see if it go. Because me like, Major is my friend. Fuck all on him. Jesus Christ, Major not no gut.
Not really. Yeah, not really.
Jesus Christ, Herbie. Major, you know, say if you take back blood clot Herbie, don't see me and deal with me. Don't you ever see none of my video them and even laugh. Don't skin your teeth. If you take back Herbie after this, don't see me and skin your teeth. So much fuck to you, boss. Bumbo clot. Yo. Bumbo. Yo, Major, me tell you, you know. Me tell you how it go. Why you feel like me bring my wife go everywhere me go? Me no want run in and none of them group here. Fuck me quick and them sitting there suck me off and do me freaky things and make me like her. And that the girl there whole heap of freaky things. The girl name rice and peas out of your body hole. Make you feel fucking good. And drink carrot juice off of your balls them so you feel like say the blood clot best thing that no. You take your wife it. Sister girl a drunk her. Look how much things the girl a bumbo clot do. Major, I'm disappointed in you, bad man. Let me tell you this, me never tell a man don't fuck Yamed yet, you know. Always fuck a Yamed. For you get a Yamed for fuck it. But why you go fuck a Yamed and boy you go wife you carry your yard? Look what the Yamed you do you know. And I'll look 50 grand, bad man. Why rest them? Me like you rest. I rest with that and deal with this a better. Me not like Major. I rest. You see, Major, you a fool, bad man. Go for your rest. You see rest? Him pussy clot deal with this long time. This year wouldn't even continue so long. Fuck that. Him the rest nah have that. You need for this a character, yeah? You, original you, now work. Go climb in the closet for one night be them and come out here because bad man, this not look good for you. I wish I wanna did like that girl there. Me have a feeling so Uncle James, you know. I did the one way always I want like we did the Trini man we always talk boy name batty wall and name pussy and name all kind of him. And that one the one with the body cream. You see that one there me feel like a him. Pick up this your blood clot bucket of shit here. Look how much fuck mama you sick too much, man. You sick too much. How much more man we are gonna see now, Herbie? Herbie, tell we say he is a blood clad porn star. Me tell us I want escort. You is a escort. Me know escort when me see them.
What?
He is a escort. You see una the kind of girl them. We dress up in a look of blood clad. What you call the slippers them? Tory Burke. Me not say that because my wife have Tory Burke. The what? Oh no. Dirty girl. They want to designer body girl. You know, designer. We have a whole heap of designer them. We want blood. You make major buy your camel. You make major buy your horse, goat, cow and pig. If you put up a Orlando there. And you know you is a little yamed come for near Mounty man. Pocket major, you weak. You weak. He's a weak bumbo clot man. Look on this a blood clot fucky girl up on tape. He's a weak bumbo clot man. You have so much character in a yard. No sense. Not one a blood clot no sense. And which one I want to buy camel gear? Me no know. But me just feel like say Uncle James again. Him do that. Mixie and a Saddam. So Mixie, you know say a bad girl Mixie. Look, I feel like a Mixie did lick her then. Yeah, Mixie did lick you. A Mixie like fight. Mixie I go lick you and cut you and the video. You! I don't know which one of your character them have sense, but it look like none of them. Because right now, me can't believe say you have this yamed on the internet and behave this way. Porn up, just go on the right in Herbie. You must see it come up. Jesus Christ. Boy, Herbie, me see a man and your mouth, your body, while your meatloaf, the boy, me couldn't believe it. Girl, underneath, you full of clit. Me not ask you. This blood clot under full of clit, you fuck up. Oh, yeah, good. It's me come share your food. Come here, come sit down here. So I come share dinner. See my wife come for work and I sit down here and say, girl avant you know. No fuck off, I'm gonna look life, man. Bumbo clad. Sorry, I'm gonna be that. You know what it is? My wife hungry. My wife hungry. Kirby at work. Me have to come out for this. Why Uncle James, you call down for me, man?